Okay, photo. Wow, when I'm using this is like definitely like I'm like a pro now. It's video button. Okay, it starts. Wow, I think I just get this camera photography set because it's so convenient. Hey, what's up everybody, Sami here. So in this video, let's take a quick look at the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, the long anticipated phone in 2024. And just for record, because in the Xiaomi shop, they only have one real Xiaomi 14 Ultra in the shop. So just lots of people just come to see this phone. So I cannot be too selfish, right? Just take the phone forever. Anyway, I've already ordered this Xiaomi 14 Ultra and I will get mine like 4 or 5 days later. So stay tuned for that because I'm ready to like make lots of phones with the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. And you can always leave what you want to know in the comments. I will just compare it for you guys. And by the way, if you are interested in this Xiaomi 14 Ultra, you can always check it out from my friend's website, His Top. I will link in the description. And definitely don't forget to subscribe because I'm always the first one to bring you guys such latest and honest reviews. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Starting with the design. As for unboxing, already done yesterday. If you haven't watched it, please check it out. Here is the real one. Okay, and this is the leather, not a weather. Okay, the leather one, and this is the white edition. Also this, I don't know if this is like the titanium or something, but looks not like that. Ceramic, see, this should be ceramic, but this is the fake one, so I cannot tell. But anyway, let's check out the design. So first on the top, as I told yesterday, and I said, whoa, compared to the 1300, it doesn't have the infrared blaster, but as I confirmed with the Xiaomi staff yesterday, and they have embedded the infrared blaster to the camera module. So it does have that quad camera module here, periscopic obviously, and also it supports like a variable aperture, the flash, and this is the camera module. Okay, if you see the bump, okay, the camera module seems like maybe Oppo looks a little bit more obvious, but I'm not sure because Xiaomi comes with this design, 2-layer design, okay? So it may feel or look a little bit less protruding. With the right side, we have the power key and also the volume rocker. Okay, this said nothing. At the bottom, speaker, Type-C charging port, and also the SIM card tray. And that's basically the design. All right, guys, let's check out what I found at the shop. This photography kit. Okay. It also, for this kit, for this handle part, it also has an embedded battery, so it would provide extra for your phone, which is great. Wow, I just like it. Just check out Type-C here. I will show you how to use it a little bit. The zoom button, the recording button. This should be, I don't know, this should be the zoom as well. Anyway, and also this part, and you can also take out like that. Okay, and this is the phone case part. So volume key, power key, also has this ring here. A little thing about this ring is this button here, right? You can press down and you can just screw it off. Okay, that is the ring. And if you don't want it, just take it off. This dot here, red dot here, so it should be like that. Okay, yeah. Wow. All right, I just cannot wait to put it on. So like that. Okay, and then you just plug in. Let's check out how to use it. Okay, when you put on, it will show you like camera grip, settings, phone grip. It shows you the phone battery, percentage and the grip percentage, settings, all right. It shows you how to use it, quick launch, take a photo, open camera, grip charging, auto disconnect, update firmware, you can even update the firmware, set up grip button, so you can set up the shortcut key here, single photo, Single photo, zoom level, continuous zoom. Okay, customize style, EV video button, record a video. So let's just use it, right, to see how easy it. Okay, so here. Okay, photo. Wow, when I'm using this is like definitely like I'm like a pro now. It's video button. Okay, it starts. Wow, I think I will just get this. I think I'll just get this camera photography set because it's so convenient. Okay, and also let's zoom in. Oh, you can see when I press here, rotate here, the button here, you can see the wow, you can see like it's so accurate. You can control like 3 point, 4 point, 3, 5, 6, and 9. Okay, that's awesome. And what about this? Oh, this is for EV, but you can always customize in the settings, like I just showed. Okay, EV, a little bit. Wow, I like it. Why not take more photos? Okay, speaking of that, let me just show you a little bit more about the camera interface. Here, the Pro aperture, so f3.7. You see the aperture here. When I adjust, you can see the variable aperture. Wow, this is the lowest one, I guess. Okay, awesome. The video, it supports up to 4K 120. Okay, I will just like walk around a little bit. Just wait for me a little bit. I'll put the clips here. Okay, this is 120, but I'm not sure like how it performs in such low light condition. Okay, I can see from the screen, holy smoke, it just jitters a lot. It jitters a lot, literally a lot. So I will just put like 4K 30 FPS here, so you can see the difference. Yeah, I can see much less jittery. Okay, it also says jittery is not that smooth, but I don't know if like the final screen, I mean the final clip, you can 2 times, 3.2, and 5 times. Okay, you can switch. This is the ultra wide, and okay, that's the video and photo. All right, all of this, and this is their interface. Portrait, now it offers like 75mm, 50, 35, and 23. Okay, document more here, like 50 megapixel maximum. Okay, it doesn't support like 200 megapixel or something, just the highest of 50 megapixel. And slow motion it supports up to 480. Wow. Why not show more photos? I would just show more photos. Okay, photo samples, just check it out. But like the firmware, I would reckon it's not finalized, so just for your reference. Okay, ultra wide, main, 2, 3.2, and 5. Okay, supports up to 120. Let's just check some like maybe 30. Portrait. Alright, I'm installing the Antutu Benchmark, and as you can see, I just keep charging because it's almost out of battery, only 4% left. So I would imagine when it's running Antutu Benchmark, the phone would get like the thermal issues, like immensely, heavily. But anyway, let's just do it. And I already ordered this phone, so you can expect a real test a little bit later. Alright, it's downloading, so take some time. So we just wait patiently. While we are waiting, let's check out the screen. Some of you guys like ask me, oh, how does the screen look? Okay, this is not like a totally flat one. As you can see, it has a slight curve. So if you are a big fan, a huge fan of this flat screen, maybe this will disappoint you a little bit. But the screen, the all curved, like the screen, if you can take a close look, this actually looks fine. Also the back slightly curved. And let me just compare with the Oppo, my favorite brand. Yeah, the same, right? Oppo maybe curved a little bit more. All right, this is the screen, how it looks. Okay, 98%. I hope you can see a little bit more of the screen. Okay, so you can see the screen. Is it awesome? This is always not right. So GPU got 0, 0. I will retest it once it's officially released. The temperature, it's quite fine actually because I keep it charging.